I want to say thank you so much to Dr. Jones for inviting me to this wonderful event. I have sat in and listened. I'm healing my soul.
I love being around healing spaces. On my own healing journey, I've learned that I've got to give myself grace. And I've also learned that it's important for me to be in healing spaces so that I can see other ways that people give themselves grace, see how other people are on their journey.
We have worked with Dr. Jones and Purple Path for the past couple of years, helping our members and helping community understand their needs, get the healing and the wellness that they deserve. So when she asked about participating in her personal health and wellness retreat, we didn't hesitate.
My experience has been great. As soon as I walked through the door, folks said good morning to me. They welcomed me into space. And as I walked in and I talked to the sign-in table, I was given a gift. And as soon as I walked into the building, came into the room, and it was very inviting.
If you want to meet some new people, want to learn some new things, this is definitely the right place for you.
I'm in a place where like-minded women and people are here to be on a journey, the same journey of healing.
One of the things that I'm learning is that we got to get into the room, right? And sometimes you don't know why you need to get in the room. So if you judge the room, if you didn't come because of maybe the person who's hosting, or maybe you thinking of some kind of way, you missed out on your healing.